Okay, guys, welcome to another video. Oh man, the anonymous person needs a mask too. So guys, we're collecting all the lightsabers. There's a new superhero in town, guys. So, whoa. Oh no, my phone fell. Oh man, my phone is broken, I think. Yup, it's broken. Oh no, wait, never mind. Okay guys, so I didn't want to even show this, but I think I'm like as fast as a person that can be. So, okay guys, so I'm going to show you how high I can jump. So like if I can jump as high as like a kangaroo, it's going to be really bad. Whoa! 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 Guys! I am jumping real high! Whoa! 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 Okay, it's my brother's turn, guys. Get out! So I'm thinking that we have superpowers, but we don't. I wish I did. Okay. Oh! So hello, Nick. Hello, hello.
Do you want to bring the puppy on the trampoline?
Sure. Sure. Let's do this. Yeah, I don't think I'm touching him very time. I don't want to.
That is disgusting. Maybe we should turn away. Turn away. Turn away. So you could take his leash. Take it.
You want to go first to go check, or you want me to go?
To where?
To the back.
I guess we should go together. This is going to be so weird. By the way, there's a bayou all the way to the back.
Yo, I haven't been able to find out because I have so excited.
No. Don't bring Rocky back here. Don't.
He's okay. I'm going to be holding him. I'm going to be holding him tight.
Hold it from the red pot.
So, I think I saw the travel line right there.
I wonder if we can find any snakes back here.
Yeah, I think so because there's been a lot of snakes. Yo, guys, what is that? Yo, what is that? You see that? It looks like a bag. Oh man, I'm so sorry. Yo.
These trees are old. They have mold on them. That's gross.
Hey, bye.
I hate spiders. They're disgusting.
See that bag right there? See that bag, guys? He could definitely go.
It's like there was a hanging head back there. See that moving back there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I see that moving.
Oh, no. Mom's coming. Come on. Everybody, let's go back. We are here without permission, and our mom is here. So we better head back inside because we are not supposed to be out here at all. Oh, God. Oh, God. What is going on?